you're learning is this. Okay, and this. Okay, so if you're new here, please do subscribe, please do hit the notification bell, please do leave us a like and a comment, and I'll be sure to get back to you. This is not a paid promotion, by the way. These are nunchucks for sale, which I'm promoting them in a few tutorials just to promote them. There's for a local man, and he's bloody awesome. I'll also leave a link to his channel at the end. So what you need to do, okay, is this part of the stick, you're going to bring it around. Okay, if you look at how my arm is. Okay, the only difference between the ling yen pass, said this a few times, and this move is going like this. Okay, so you're pointing this nunchuck at this part of your wrist. Okay, then you're going to bring it out. Okay, we're going to go around, and on the moment, okay, it makes that one rotation. As soon as you feel it, roughly about here, you're going to turn your arm up like this. This will cause it to jump onto this finger, okay? Alright, so if you're seeing that, okay, I'm literally going like that and stopping. Alright? That is how to basically get it from your wrist up to your finger. It's a little bit like a magic trick, because it seems to go from there to there straight off, especially when you do it really, really quick. And you continue with the finger roll, okay, which is what you want to be doing. So if you haven't learned the finger roll, go back. So you're going to go around the back, and you're basically going to move your hand here from like this, pointing down, to like this, pointing up. And then when you stop, it will go to glide here. Do you see? It's literally just jump from my wrist to my finger, when all it is, I'm doing this and then this. And it will cause it to wrap and jump near enough every time. Bearing in mind, this is going to take a lot of practice to get down, because it's all in the technique, okay? So the last thing is just to pop a finger roll into it. So what you want to do is basically go like that, around, alright? And then you can go into a rebound from there. I haven't practiced with my left way yet. Yeah, you can go to rebound. You know, there's lots of other things you can do with this, okay? So I hope that helps you out. The next one we're going to do is this, which is a lot simpler. If you haven't watched Tuesday tutorials, okay, please do go back, because you're going to need to learn that to learn this move, okay? So I'll leave a link right about now. Once you're finished watching that, please do come back and learn this move. You can do it from behind your back, or you can do it like this. I personally like the one where it goes behind your back. Okay, so all I'm doing, okay, is say I'm going to show you the front version, I'll show you the back version, okay? You're going to go like this, and you're basically going to point this part of the nunchuck here on this part of your wrist, okay? So, like that. Then you're going to let it go. From there, you're going to turn your hand like this, okay? Just see how I've rotated my hand like that, to like that. That will cause it to rotate, and you're going to catch it here. From there, you're going to lift your arm up and throw it around there and catch it on the other side, okay? And you can continue it again. Alright, that's the basic of the move, okay? So remember, point this part of the nunchuck here, and you're going to let it go around, and you're going to grab it on this side. You're going to go up, okay, and you're just going to throw it around here. The back move, what you're doing is you're bringing it from around your back to centre line and catching it on centre line. From there, you just same again, you just raise your hand up and dump it around and catch it on the other side, okay? So 1, 2, okay. You can go for a thumb roll to there, just play with these moves, and it can probably come up with new variations yourself. So yeah, hope this helps you. I'll see you again soon. Please do remember, I'm going to leave Michael Lewin's channel right about now. He is the person that's selling these nunchucks. I will leave a link to link in the description, so you can purchase yourself a set of Aiki hands, okay? So thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you again on Tuesday. This is Friday Tricks, over and out.